Good morning, class. How are you all? I hope you all are fine and revising all the things at home. Okay, very good, beta. So, today is our mental maths period. Which period? Mental maths period. But in this period, we also know that our summative formative exams are coming up. आपने सिलेबस चेक कर लिया होगा अपने सेक्शन में. तो अब आपका हमारा एग्जाम्स भी आ रहे हैं. तो एग्जाम्स के लिए हमें रिवीजन प्रॉपर करना पड़ेगा अपना. सो पहले आज हम किससे स्टार्ट करेंगे? टेबल से. किससे स्टार्ट करेंगे बेटा? टेबल से. सो फर्स्ट वी हैव टू राइट द डेट. व्हाट इज द डेट टुडे? 8.5.21. What is the date? 8.5.21. Now do underlining under this. Done. Now what is this? What we have to do? Tables. Tables. What we have to do? Tables. 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 Which are, do you understand this? What we have to do? Tables. Now draw a line under this. Drawn, all of you? Drawn, beta? Very good, beta. Now what we have to do first? We have to write table of 2. Write it, beta. TABLE table. OF of 2. किसका टेबल लिखेंगे आज हम? 2 का. So firstly draw a line in the center. Draw a line in the center of the page. Drawn, all of you? Shall I move forward, beta? Done, beta? Okay. Now repeat it with me and write in your notebooks with neat and clean handwriting, like the same way I am writing. जिस तरीके से मैं काम कर रही हूँ ऐसे ही आप अपनी नोटबुक्स में करेंगे with sharpened pencil and neat and clean handwriting. Okay, beta? So 2 ones are 2. 2 ones are 2. This sign is of multiply. Which sign it is? Multiply. And this is equals to. What is this? Equals to. Then 2 twos are 4. Then 2 threes are 6. Write it with me and speak also. Read each and every word. Okay, beta? Read each and every numeral. Now 2 fours are 8. Now 2 fives are 10. 2 ones are 2. 2 twos are 4. 2 threes are 6. 2 fours are 8. 2 fives are 10. Done, all of you? Shall I move forward, beta? Okay, beta. 2 6 are 12. 1 2 12. 2 6 are 1 2 12. Then 2 sevens are 14. 1 4 14. 2 sevens are 14. 1 4 14. Then 2 eights are 16. 1 6 16. 2 eights are 16. 1 6 16. Then 2 nines are 18. What is it? 18. 2 nines are 18. And the last one is 2. What will come after 9? 10. Very good. 10. 2 tens are 20. So what is this? 2 ones are 2. 2 twos are 4. 2 threes are 6. 2 fours are 8. 2 5s are 10, 2 6s are 12, 2 7s are 18, 2 8s are 16, 2 9s are 18, and then last is 2 10s are 20. So what is this? Table of 2. Now we have done table of 2 in our notebook. You have to do it same way I am doing. Okay beta? So, and our table is completed. So what we have to do now? We have to revise the number names also. Number. What is it? Number. 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 Then after it, names. Names. What is it? Names. Number names. Now draw a line under this. Drawn all of you? Drawn beta? Okay. First we will what write? What we will write? HTO. What is this? Ones. O stands for ones. T stands for tens. 5 stands for H stands for hundreds. What is this? O stands for ones, T stands for tens, and H stands for hundred. HTO. Hundreds, tens, thousand. What is this? Ones, tens, thousand. Now 50 is, first we will do the numbering. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and after this 9, and then 10. We have done numbering till this. What is this? O T H. O means ones, T means tens, H means 100. तो 50 जो है वो 100 की लाइन में नहीं आएगा. क्यों? 5T लग रहा है उसके साथ. 50 तो वो टेंस की लाइन में आएगा. किसकी? टेंस की. और 51 वंस के साथ कितना है? 1. 100 की प्लेस में तो कुछ भी नहीं है, तो 100 की प्लेस में कुछ भी नहीं आएगा. लेकिन टेंस की प्लेस पे 50 है ना, क्योंकि 50 टेंस की प्लेस पे आ रहा है 5, और वंस की प्लेस पे क्या आ रहा है? 1. तो देन अगेन 52, 53, 54, 55, 56, 57, 58, and then 59, 60. First, what is this? O stands for ones, T stands for tens, and H stands for hundreds. So 100 की प्लेस पे तो कुछ नहीं है. आपके इस डिजिट में कोई 100 वर्ड आ रहा है? नहीं ना. लेकिन 50 आ रहा है, तो 5 और T का है यहाँ, और 1 क्या होता है? वंस की प्लेस पे, यानी एक डिजिट. 50 टेंस के साथ 2 डिजिट, 100 के साथ 3 डिजिट. तो हम पहले इसे ब्रेक करेंगे. 50 की स्पेलिंग FIF, फिफ, TYT 50, 1 ONE 1. क्या है ये? 51, 51, 51. Then again we will do the same 50 here. FIF, TY 50, TWO 2, 252. Then again what is this? 53. FIF, TY 50, THREE. FIF, TY 50, THREE 353. Now what is this? 54, 54. FIF, TY 50, 4. FOUR. All of you know the spelling of 4, na? Very good, students. Now what is this? 55. FIF, TY 50, 5. Five. 5 spelling is 5, but 50 is fifth or T. That's why it is breaking 5, F-I-F, fifth, and then T-Y, T. Then what is this? 56. F-I-F-T-Y, 50. 6. S-I-X. 6. What is this? 56. Then what is this? 57. Again the spelling of 50. F-I-F-T-Y, 57. S-E-V-E-N. What is this? 7. S-E-V-E-N. 7. Now what is this? 5, 8, 58. F-I-F, right students? F-I-F-T-Y, 58. 8. What is the spelling of 8? Tell me. You know na? I know all of you know. E, yes. I, yes. G, yes. H, yes. T. What is this? 58. F-I-F-T-Y, 50. E-I-G-H-T. 8. 58. Now what is this? F-T-59. 59. F-I-F-T-Y, 59. N-I-N-E. What is this? 59. F-I-F-T-Y, 50. N-I-N-E. 9. 59. Then what is this? 60. 60. 60. Now the spelling of 60 has changed. It has been not 50. 60 की लाइन में हम 50 तो नहीं लिख सकते, तो 60 की स्पेलिंग क्या होगी? ब्रेक करो. 6 पहले 6 S-I-X 6 T T-Y-T like 50. So we have done our number names till 60. So do it in your fair notebooks. Firstly you have to do table of 2 in your notebooks, and then after that number names 51 to 60. So you have to do the numbering with sketch pens and the headings with sketch pens, and this headings with sketch pen. Draw neat and clean line in the center with scale only, and then you will submit the copy, done the work, and send it to me. Okay beta? So now we have closed this, but this is our mental maths period and we have to do mental maths also. So take out your this book, MENTAL, mental. MENTAL, mental. MATHS, what is it? MATHS, maths, mental maths. All of you take out this book. Done all of you? Okay. Now as I know we have done exercise 1, exercise 2 and 3 and 4 in homework, but today we will do this exercise. Page number 5 and WORK work SHEET worksheet 5. कौन सी वर्कशीट है? वर्कशीट नंबर 5. तो पहले हम ये क्वेश्चन पढ़ेंगे और फिर देखेंगे ये क्या बोलना चाह रहा है हमें. Firstly, write the date here. What is the date today? 8.5.21. Okay, written all of you. 8.5.21. So first of all we will read the question. COUNT, count. Count means गिनना. EACH, eat. KIND, kind. OF, off. OBJECTS, objects. Count each kind of objects. ये क्या बने हुए हैं? सब objects हैं, तो हमें इन सबको काउंट ही करना है. क्या करना है? काउंट. Now what they are saying? WRITE, write. WRITE, write. THEIR, there. NUM, B-E-R-S. Write their numbers. What we have to write? Their numbers. Their counting. I-N-N-T-H-E, the. C-I-R-C-L-E-S, circles. G-I-V-E-N, given. B-E-L-O-W, what is this? Below. Write their numbers in the circle given below. Circles are given here and the objects are given here. So in this picture we have to count the objects and write it in the circle. हमें क्या करना है, जो भी इन्होंने यहाँ पूछा हुआ है, जो भी ऑब्जेक्ट के बारे में, वो इस पिक्चर से हमें काउंट करना है और लिखना है आगे कि वो कितने हैं. Understood all of you? Okay beta. Then what is this? This is frog. How many frog? Count all of you. 1, 2, 3, 4. We have 4. How many? 4. Done all of you? Now we will move to chocolates. I know everybody likes chocolates, na? Everybody eats chocolate. I know it's yummy, yummy. So now let's count the chocolates. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. How many chocolates? 7. How many? 7. Done all of you? Okay beta. Now come to this ice cream. I know you all eat ice cream, na? I know I also like ice cream. It's very tasty, huh? Now we will count the ice cream. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So how many? 9 ice creams. Write 9 in front of ice cream. 9. Very good. Written all of you. Shall we move to next one? Okay, beta. Now what is this? This is toffees. Now you will count and tell me how many toffees are there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. How many? 8. How many toffees? 8. How many? 8. Return. Very good. Who is this? This is the face of Joker. Face of Joker. So now see this picture. How many faces of Jokers are here? Only one. I see only one. How many you see? One. Very good. Then is 1. Now what is this? This is flower pot. Now we have to count the flower pots. Count all of you. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. How many? 5 flower pots. Return. Write all of you. Okay, beta. Now what is this? This is softy. What is this? Softy. Now we have to count the softy here. 1 and 2. We have only 2 softies. Write 2 in front of softy. Written all of you. Okay, beta. Now what is this? I guess I know you all of you know it's what is it? Banana. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. How many bananas? 6. How many? 6 bananas. Count all of you. Count. Okay, beta. Shall I move to the last one? What is this? This is mouse. What is this? Mouse. Now see, where is mouse? One mouse is here. One mouse is here. 2. Third one is here. How many? 3 mouse. How many mouse? 3. How many? 3. So we have done exercise number 5. So now you all have to done in books and do the tables and number names also in your notebook and send it to me. Okay beta? So this much for today. Okay, bye bye class. Goodbye children.